Get ready to reach new heights with Goal Horizon. Hit the subscribe button now. Welcome to our ultimate guide to creating a successful e-commerce business. In today's digital age, more and more people are turning to online shopping to find the products they need. And with the right strategy and execution, you too can turn your e-commerce dream into a reality. The first step in creating a successful e-commerce business is to find a niche. This can be a specific product or product line, or a particular market or audience. By identifying and focusing on a specific niche, you'll be able to better target your marketing efforts and stand out in a crowded online marketplace. Once you've identified your niche, it's important to conduct thorough market research. Look at your competitors and see what they're doing well and where they're falling short. Study market trends and consumer behavior to identify areas of opportunity. This information will help you make informed decisions about your business and give you a competitive edge. Next, it's time to set up your e-commerce website. There are many platforms and tools available to help you create a professional-looking website that is easy to navigate and use. Make sure to choose a platform that is secure, reliable, and easy to integrate with payment and shipping options. Once your website is up and running, it's time to create and optimize your product listings. Use high-quality images and detailed product descriptions to entice customers. Optimize your listings for search engines by including relevant keywords and meta tags. Now that your website and product listings are set up, it's time to start promoting your business. Utilize social media platforms and email marketing to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your website. Use targeted ads and influencer marketing to reach your specific target audience. As your business grows, it's important to monitor your website traffic and sales data to see what's working and what's not. Use this information to make adjustments to your marketing strategy, optimize your product listings, and improve your overall customer experience. By following these steps and being patient, you can turn your e-commerce dream into a reality. Remember that creating a successful e-commerce business takes time and effort, but with the right strategy and execution, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching and good luck on your e-commerce journey.